Hey guys, so welcome back to my channel. Today I have this really nice one-of-a-kind item. This is by Ancel, and this is the BS200 Super Starter. So like this is what they call it, and it's basically like a jump starter, but instead of a traditional jump starters, this is like a permanent fix to your vehicle. We will just permanently mount it to your vehicle. So the unboxing experience is not the best in my opinion, but we still do get a really nice owner's manual here. And if you do want, you can scan this QR code to get even more details. And this is also controlled by a Bluetooth app, and it gives really good data of how your vehicle cranks and all that stuff. So we do get some of these mounting points. So zip ties, really big, so you can actually mount them to the vehicle's battery. And we actually do get some extra clamps, so if you do want to use this as like a traditional jump starter, but this is really not meant to be like a traditional jump starter. Instead, it's like a permanent mount. So like how this works is this does not have like a normal lithium-ion battery. Instead, it has like a capacitor resistor in there, so it charges really fast. So for the first time use, you do have to charge it once using a USB-C port, which plugs in right over here. So once we charge it for the first time, it just takes 20 minutes for it to charge 100%. Once it's charged, we simply just mount this into your vehicle, and every time you crank on the vehicle, instead of putting all that stress on the battery, it actually uses this. So it draws most of the power from this jump starter. That way your battery actually has a 3 times better health overall. So better performance. This does operate up to minus 40 degrees Celsius, same as minus 40 degrees Fahrenheit, and then up to 60 or 70 degrees Celsius. So really nice temperature range that this functions in, and it's really light. As I was saying before, this really doesn't have a real battery in there. And then once the vehicle is running, it draws the power and it charges itself, and then if needed, it will also start the vehicle later. And if it's 100% out of battery, we do have this manual discharge over here. So we are going to be installing it in this 2012 Chevy Captiva. So this has the 3-liter V6, and then this is actually suitable for up to a 3-liter V8 or V6, but most likely for a 3-liter it'll be a V6. And then up to a 2.5-liter turbocharged engine. If it's turbocharged, then you can actually have this fitted up to 2.5. So works 80% of the time. This is like a really good option for you if you have like a good family car. Of course, because most nowadays modern car relies on smaller 2-liter turbo engines. So a really great match for them, and it's really simple to install. Right over here in your connector, just first, of course, unplug, remove the cables, because of course we're like working with electrical components. Remove this bolt over here, put it in, tighten it up. Same thing goes over here. Do that, and then for the app, it has a special app which you can download, and this app is called the Super Starter. Right over here, simply press on this, and right now there you go. It has 80% of charge in there. 13.48 voltage gives me the current temperature, and of course we currently don't have it connected to the battery, but if it will also give me the percentage level on our battery, and it gives us all of the details. And of course we do have the force start, as I was saying before, if the battery is completely dead, and it also makes regal logs too. So every time you start the vehicle, it will actually make the logs over here actually showcase how the battery is performing. But as I mentioned before, really easy to install. Just put it on top of here. You can put this over here, but just make sure that the hood will still close. But in most vehicles, that really shouldn't be an issue. So that's it. So we like use the zip tie which comes included. It's all fixed in there. It wouldn't move, and we have these mounted in like that. And then the other thing is that since this like really doesn't have any battery in there, there's like no risk of it exploding or anything. So like you can really just mount it anywhere feasible. So either on the battery, in this case we just mounted it on top of our fuse box. And the other thing is it's like really easy. It like gives you really good details. So it's also like giving me the details about our current battery charging, the voltage on our starter. And then so in this case, as you can see, this like battery is almost dead. So in any other vehicle, if the battery is at 5%, it like really wouldn't restart the vehicle. But in this case, I'm gonna turn it off. The vehicle is off now, and we're gonna restart it. And then I'm gonna actually pull up the app so we'll actually show you Currently, the battery is at 5%. Our jumper is at 93. There you go. Starts up really easily. And now, as you can see, it did say discharging. So basically, this was the one that actually helped to start up the vehicle, and it like also shows our discharge ratio and then also our cranking voltage. So there you go. So it just like charged up it just like started up the vehicle, and then our battery percentage is still at 5% because it like used its own voltage to actually start up the vehicle for us. And then if we go over here into logs, into our history, and it will actually give you all the details. A really nice detail, our starter current, our battery voltage. So as you can see, the battery voltage is actually going up since the battery really didn't use its own power to start up the vehicle. The starter used its own power. And the other thing is this thing charges up really fastly since it like really doesn't have any physical battery. And then like compared to like a regular jump starter that you can get that you just put on the clamps to start up the vehicle, yes, that will help you start up the vehicle. But the thing that this jump starter prevents is that this is like a permanent solution. This will actually prevent your vehicle's battery from actually degrading over time as it usually does, because it just like takes off that load when you're starting the vehicle from the battery onto the starter itself. And then since this starter has no battery, you have like over 100,000 cycles before it actually needs to replacement. So it's like way cheaper than a battery, and it will probably last way longer than a battery in the first place. So that's the main reason why this is like one of like the best accessories out here. And the other thing to do to like just let you know is I've actually tested this in my own car for, as I said, 3 weeks. So this is like a really good product, and this is like the only one in the market right now. So I would like 100% recommend this to anyone if you have any type of vehicle. Really easy to just put it on and you're good to go. The only thing I really don't like is at this moment they like really don't have any like stronger version that we can use if we have like bigger engines. But I did contacted Ancel, and they did let me know that they're currently working on an even more powerful version, so it will probably cover up to 4-liter, 5-liter V8s and all that. So hopefully they do come out very soon. And then if you guys did enjoy this video, please do like, subscribe, and share, and I will leave the Amazon link down below. Thank you.